Meet Sarah, an online store owner wanting to add a sprinkle of group fun to her gift cards. Sarah's customers craved a way to team up for a collective gift card to be gifted on special occasions. She found a solution: introducing the group gifting feature. Fill out the basic details. Select date. Add custom gift message and image. Add contributor's email. And it's done. Contributors will receive an email containing a WooCommerce payment link that leads them to the product for group gift contribution for a smooth group gift experience. The plugin gave Sarah the power to tweak settings. Group gifting is not just about contributions. Organizers could easily manage group gifts and share links via WhatsApp, giving celebrations a modern twist. And there you have it. With the gift card for WooCommerce plugin, Sarah's store turned into a place of shared joy, thereby boosting store sales and engagement.